This really is my favorite XJS, being 3.6 engine. It is economical and easy to work on. For sale, Jaguar XJS 3.6 automatic, a timeless classic, ready for restoration, partly restored, nearly completed. Step into the world of timeless British motoring with this stunning Jaguar XJS 3.6 automatic. With its sleek lines, iconic styling and roaring 6-cylinder 3.6L engine paired to a 4-speed automatic gearbox, this classic beauty is ready to be brought back to its former glory. The story: originally a Cat C write-off for minor wing and bumper damage, a common occurrence in its day, this Jaguar has already undergone significant repairs, with the front bumper replaced and repainted. Sadly, the previous owner passed away before completing the restoration, and while I've continued their work, my growing fleet of other Jaguar projects has left me without the time to finish this one. Passenger headlight and front bumper will be included with sale at no extra cost. The condition engine and drivetrain starts, runs, and drives smoothly. Brakes will need replacing. Interior in fantastic condition for its age, with only a few trim pieces needing installation. Mileage 106,000 miles. A testament to its endurance and charm. The potential: this XJS is the perfect project car for any classic car enthusiast. With minimal effort, you can turn this into a head-turning masterpiece. Its iconic design and exhilarating performance make it one of the most sought-after models in Jaguar's history. Don't miss your chance to own this absolute stunner. Whether you're a seasoned restorer or a first-time project car enthusiast, this Jaguar XJS offers a rewarding opportunity to revive a true classic. Price to sell. Get in touch today and bring this beauty back to life. Viewings available any day of the week, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Please look in video description for contact details. Thank you.